Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold day. Cold day. Never been a product of a flaw.
Hey guys, I am watching this video right now, and I just thought that I should pick up my phone and just vlog. I wanted to share with you guys how I made doho. I want to share with you guys how I make it, like, so that it tastes like cake, so that it's nice, delicious, so that I'm able to eat it, because right now I'm suffering from not ulcers, but like, you understand, I have a stomach acid issue right now, and therefore I'm avoiding eating my belly and so forth. So what I do, if I really crave it, this is what I do. I'm done here. I've mixed the maize meal with the soy meal. Yeah, I've mixed those two and I've added water. What I do is I add some essence. Do you see that it's almost finished? But a droplet is enough, Shin. I use caramel essence and cinnamon powder in it. Like, I'm gonna add this first to the water, to the boiling water, and then the cinnamon and the this. Okay, I was looking at the expiry date, but it says July. Okay. I've mixed it. It's mixed now. And now we add the cinnamon. It's almost finished as well. Ooh. Be careful also to see if you don't want to burn yourself. But already it's smelling like cake and it's smelling delicious. You know, cinnamon powder just smells nice. So I'm going to show you so that it doesn't burn. And then I'm adding the vanilla essence. So I can already predict that this is gonna be like a stiff motofa to prevent it on adding butter. I'm gonna add it. Now I'm adding the butter. I'm letting it melt. I'm gonna let it melt and then stir again. Hey guys, so it is. So let me explain. Hey guys, it is a different day. I started the vlog yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. I was wearing this outfit, but I was wearing it for like just 30 minutes because we just left here, and then when I arrived there, it was so hot. I had to ask my cousin for something else to wear. So I didn't wear this fit actually, you know. So now I'm going to town. My mom's sending me, and also Ben is also sending me. I have to go to the city council office, so I'm going there, and I'm also going to ShopRite. Same OOTD, just having my glasses, and I changed my bag from this bag. You guys know this bag. Yo, this is my bag. This is my fighter. This bag started this channel with me. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this. This is what I'm wearing. Same fit as yesterday, just with this bag. I get it. And then what I'm gonna do is, but I do have this is my jalonje. I was saying, hore, this is my jalonje. But I do have a new bag. And guess who bought it? Babe. So yeah, I'm gonna go. These glasses I got from Crazy Store. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I love them. They're my favorites also. So yeah, I'm abusing them the same way as I'm abusing this bag. They just go so well together, I guess. But yeah, come with me and we'll talk. Like, come with me. We're going to town. We're going to ShopRite. Just like that, you know. And also the nice thing about it is that it's gonna be quiet in town. So at least I'll be able to vlog. At least I'll be able to vlog. And yeah, but I'm not gonna request today. I'm gonna go catch a taxi. So I'll be going via public transport to there. Yeah, my hair's still the same as yesterday. Like, the idea is still the same, guys. Nothing changed. It's still the same thing. Okay, so I'm done here by the Civic. I didn't find the people that I needed to see. Apparently they're not at work. So the next thing for us to do is just go to where I was sent by my mom. I have to go to ShopRite. We'll talk. I'm honestly so tired. And I still need to do my nails. I still need to do this laundry. Let me show you that. I still have to fold that. I still have to fold all of that, and I don't know where I'll get this energy from. I have to do both my nails here and my toenails. I have to shoot a video for YouTube. Ask me, where am I gonna get all that strength from? Hey, Zalani, grow up. So I'm gonna fold this.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer.
I'm done with it. I'm done with everything. It's just those. They don't need to be folded. They have to be hung. So yeah, I'm gonna pack these things away. Hey guys, it is 2 days later. We're going to my mom's best friend. I just thought I should come over here and just, like, it's been 2 days here, so I'm just here to close off the vlog. I'll see if I take you guys with, but we're going via a taxi. I'm not wearing any makeup, but I'm serving skin, darling. Like, my skin is recovering very well. Just eyeliner and mascara, filled my brow a little bit, and a lippy, and that's that. Yeah, I love the look. I love the look. It's really effortless. It's very effortless. That's why I love it. I look so cute.
Forgetting all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah.